Hello everyone, I am Dimitri, a happy cat come from London. Did you notice that I have something special? That's right, my face seems to have some disabilities compared to other cats. It was a story from a long time ago when I was a stray cat wandering the streets. I can't remember what happened, but one day I realized I couldn't see anything clearly. When I was taken to the vet, the doctor said that I had an eye infection, so they were forced to take it away to protect my health. That was the last time I saw the world. But fortunately, I met Emma, a wonderful woman. She was the one who took me to the vet and then adopted me. I was worried at first because not seeing anything made me lose the arrogance of a cat. And I knew Emma would have a hard time taking care of me. But my benefactor never gave up. She's always close to me and answered immediately every time I called. Emma also bought me a lot of toys and gave me a warm bed to make me feel secure. Her kindness helped me forget the pain and start a new life. Emma's house has a piano, and I fell in love with it immediately after playing it for the first time. The sounds make me feel more in love with life. Emma said that I have a great talent for music.
Yes, Lavazza, espresso and more. Discover the Italian coffee experience in all its forms. Lavazza, more than
Food is also one of my favorites. I love to taste all of them once in my life. Good food always makes me cheerful. But do you know what the happiest is? That's when I got to be with Emma. Being with her makes me feel safe, and sleeping with her has become an integral part of my routine. Sometimes I always give her kisses to show that I love her so much. With Emma by my side, every day of my life is beautiful and full of joy.